Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site next door to our partners at Blackpool Seat, and just having a wander around, and as you can see, plenty of cars in the forecourt for you to come and have a look at should you choose to. Failing that, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a look at our vehicle videos online, or go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com. And you can also look at our stock on there. And today we've got for you a 2021 Hyundai Tucson. It's the T-GDi. It's the N-Line edition. It's a 1.6 petrol hybrid in stunning white. It has got a full tilt and slide panoramic roof. As you can see, alloys, tinted windows at the back, shark fin aerial, integrated brake light in the back spoiler, plus a panoramic rear light. On this particular edition, you've got sat nav, blind spot collision warning, cruise control, DAB radio, driver profile select, heated seats and steering wheel, electric tailgate. You got Apple CarPlay, Android and smartphone capabilities, and front and rear sensors. As you can see, it is a stunning vehicle. It's just a really nice shape, really nice design. Have a look at the boot for you. As you can see, a nice deep boot, plenty of room. You got some more storage underneath. You got 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can lower one or the other or both. You got grey upholstery all the way through, leather and suede, with red piping and stitching. Very, very comfortable car. Plenty of room for your passengers. So you get your automatic transmission just there, electric parking brake, automatic start stop function, auto hold, parking sensors, camera, power points and USB points. There's your heated seats and steering wheel. You got your center console and display. Digital cockpit. You got your cruise control controls there on the right hand of your wheel. Bluetooth and hands-free on the left hand of your wheel. Headlights and indicators on the left wand, and beam settings. Windscreen washers and wipers on your right hand wand. And you got your electric tailgate, and in your door you got your wing mirrors and windows, and your panoramic sunroof. As you can see, it is a very, very nice car. Again, lovely to drive. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can online, send us an email, give us a call. Better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys. You can take it for a test drive. We look forward to it from you soon.